everyone, it's Patty from the studio. I woke up on this beautiful summery Labor Day to a text from my new favorite local thrift store, Unique, saying it was 50% off everything day. So I thought, yes, I have to do that. That was pretty much me, but the car version. And I got out pretty early. I was not the only one that had that plan, obviously. And I got some great stuff. And the good news is I got great stuff. The bad news is I got a lot of stuff. The haul, I think, is so large, I'm going to have to bring it outside to show you everything. Not a bad problem to have. So anyway, stay tuned for the haul. I hope you find it fun and interesting and gives you some ideas if you're going out on your own doing some thrifting. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If not, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notifications, like and comment. And I appreciate everyone's feedback and taking the time to hang out with me for a little while. So I will tell you what my spend was at the end of the video. Here we go. Let's haul. So here is today's haul. I had to bring it outside because I didn't even have room to lay it all out inside. So I'm going to probably be doing a voiceover because there's just some wind and planes and crickets and kids playing. So I'm probably going to change it to a voiceover. But let's check out the goodies. In the handbag, they had this really cute Emirates Fly With Me Lonely Planet Kids travel bag. And I liked it because it was new with a tag. You know, good condition. I like that it's Lonely Planet and it's the Emirates, you know, obviously what they gave to kids taking flights. And I like the tag. Junior Wash Bag, it's called. So I thought that was good. And that was $3. Everything was 50 off, so I'm going to give you the total at the end. Then we have some Vera Bradley, little wallet, and another Vera Bradley, like a mini bag wallet, clutch. And again, on the website, they have all the patterns, so you know exactly when this was produced. So that was $2.99, and this one was $2.99. Then in the little kids section, this is a onesie and a sleeveless onesie, and I just thought it was so cute. And this was $4.99 before discount. Then we have a new with the package. It was originally at Marshall's. These little fish socks for newborns, and from Carter's, good name. So that's why I picked up those. These are adorable. And you know, summer is ending, but these are still really cute, and they're from Zara Baby. 18 months. And those were $5.99. And I just thought she was adorable. $2.99. Really soft, you know, the little teddy hugging the blanket. Good condition, and she's a rattle. And then, because fall and winter will be here, these little baby hats. I don't know which brand this is. I have to look, but I just thought it was really cute. I like the banding on it and the little penguins. Nice condition, but I don't see any brand. And this was $1.99. And then another little hat, which I just thought was so cute. And this is Carter's for 99 cents. Really soft and good condition. Then this bag, this denim bag, I liked a lot. Very different. And it says Liberty Fashion and Lifestyle. I don't even know what that word is. Pears. Which doesn't make sense, but it's cool. But it's from, it's got the tag, the original tag, Flying Horse London. So it's an indigo tote bag. So it's got the regular tote bag type of straps, but then a longer crossbody. And again, it's got the tag on it, really soft denim, and it's got a flat bottom, some trim, and this was $9.99. But I think this is going to go well. Oh, fairs. I don't know what that word is. Then into the hard goods. Got these plates. I liked the shape and the size and the design, and they're marked Dubonnet, Tuscany, Japan. Each plate was 99 cents. But at half price, obviously, I got 4 plates for $2. And they're all in good condition. I haven't done any research on anything yet, but I thought these were very cool pattern and design. Then this little souvenir says collector shot glass set, and it is new in box, and it's got pirates and it says Bermuda. So I thought that was a nice little piece for $3.99. And here come the planes. Sorry. Another souvenir piece is a tin from Harrods in their traditional green and gold, and that was 99 cents, so 50 cents. And you know, nice tin, pretty colors. You could do a lot of different things with that. Decor, put your tea bags in it. And this little piece is like a gelato cup. I'm pretty sure it's made in China, but it was new in the box. I liked the colors, and it came out to $2. Then this piece is a really pretty amethyst glass bottle, and it's got some bubbles inside of it. There's a process called Bulicante, I think, which is controlled bubbles. I don't think this is, but it looked like it had some age. There's a little chip on the bottom, but you know, there's a lot of bottle collectors out there, and that was 50 cents. And I just thought it was a nice shape and a pretty color. A little bit of an iridescent to it. Then this beauty is an Italian vase. This was expensive. This was the most expensive thing, but I think I'm going to have no problem selling it. It's in very good condition, and it has applied flowers, and I haven't found any chips, which is unusual on these type of pieces. I have a green vase that's very similar to this, so I can't decide if I should list them as a pair to make them like a Christmassy thing, but I might be better off just doing them separately. And there might be a marking underneath there, which I've yet to discover. But just really pretty, kind of delicate. Then this I picked up because it's got cats. It's $2. It's lightweight, and Roy Kirkham, made in England, Nouvelle Cats. And I believe I've had something by him in the past, and they get pretty good money. And it's vintage, 1997. Really just the cats, kind of mid-century looking. I didn't see any chips or cracks, and again, I think it's a good name. Then, traveling down the table, we have this piece of pottery, which it has a marking of 03 in initials. It was $8 before discount, and I don't know, it could be just a hobbyist piece, but I have to research. It could be a known pottery, but I think it's a hobbyist piece, which, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. And I liked the glaze, kind of like an amber with a dark green, glossy, interesting shape, and I just thought it was unusual. This next piece is really cool and unusual. I don't think it's Murano. Everybody loves Murano glass. I think it's just art glass, but I have to research it a little bit more. And that was $4, and it's made in Italy, and there is an original sticker, so I can research that. And this looks like the import company was in right around here, Queens. But I can use this as research. But I just thought, very pretty. It's got a nice lavender tint to it. Very unusual shape. And art glass is very popular. And then my mugs. You know I love mugs. I mean, who doesn't love that dog? Bulldog, I think. And she was $4. And it's the Pollyanna Pickering collection, England. So I will look into that and see if it's of value. But very pretty, very lightweight. The gold is intact. And, you know, there are people who just love their dogs. And if I know that breed, it's either a pug or a French bulldog. And I can hear all of you yelling at me. I don't 100% know. But I'll figure it out. Then we have some trays. Now this one is pretty heavy. Glass with some silver overlay. It's a little faded in some sections. But then on the back, it's marked Venetian glass. And then somebody had put some plastic little feet to protect the furniture or to protect the piece. And that was only $2. But it's a nice serving tray, or even a display tray or a vanity tray. Another little tray is this vintage mini tray. Doesn't have any markings on it, but it was 50 cents. And I like the paint job, and I feel like my grandmother had a set of snack tables like this in this metal. And there's some sort of sticker, which I think is going to be impossible to figure out. But nonetheless, I thought it was very pretty. Then the final kind of tray piece is this really unusual carved dimensional wood tray. There is kind of a hole gouged out here, which I'll note, and a little bit of wear here. But it's a Native American scene, and there is the artist's signature. So I'll see if that means anything. And I just thought it was really unique. Again, this was kind of pricey, but sometimes I just get things because I like them, or they're unusual, or I think they have some value. And again, at 50% off, I thought it was worth a gamble, and I'm curious to see if that means anything. It could have been a souvenir piece, but it's got just really pretty details, and it's all raised here and on his body and the mountains, and then the background is kind of a textured wood. So I think it's very cool. And then finally, this bowl and plate set. I haven't even taken the tape off yet, but the reason I picked it up is it's Johnson Brothers, England, which I've sold every piece I've ever had of theirs, and Castle on the Lake, so you know right away, and it was $3 for both pieces. And you know, I haven't seen anything yet, and you know, who knows if that bowl even goes to it. But I decided to take a gamble, and we'll see. So, I was very happy with all my purchases today. I actually am a little sad, though. I had a vase, and it broke on the way home. So that was sad, but it's, it happens. So my total spend with my discount of 50% was $60. And what's also not shown here, there were 3 pieces of spode. And my sister-in-law collects them, so I picked them up for her. So they're not included in this haul. But that was, I think, $6.50 for 3 different pieces of spode, the Christmas tree. So I'm really happy with my purchases. I'm sad about my little vase that didn't make it. That really killed me. It was a nice vase for $1, but what are you going to do? Stuff happens. Anyway, that's it for now. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and thanks for coming out and taking a few minutes to spend with me in the studio or today outside. Bye for now.